Okay, so thank you so much for your question. So, how to use the fast learning skills to respond to the challenges? Okay, so first you need to understand what is the challenge, what are the challenges, or what is the challenge you're facing right now. The first step is to understand the challenges you're facing. So, this could be a new task at work, a complex problem that need solving, or new skills that need to be learned. Okay, so secondly is use your fast learning skill. Okay, as a fast learner, you have the ability to quickly grasp new concepts and ideas. Use this to your advantage by diving into the challenge